The supplies needed for this are the 2 small hose clamps that fit on the Pelican case bracket that are attached with the nuts that accompany it, and a screwdriver. Attach it to the pole with these 2 clamps. When attaching it to the pole, you can first adjust it to your height to make it easier to clamp into place. But remember, when making your final adjustments, you want to keep it well above what storm flow might be. Consider a 100-year storm level. Tighten into place and then adjust the box height to where you think your final resting place will be. Final tightening will be done once the solar panel is in place.